Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Leeventi, and we're taking a look at the really awesome Teleprompter. Now this thing is compatible with a bajillion devices, and of course you can go ahead and use this for any particular need. For example, a teleprompter is really useful for a lot of reasons in today's Zoom world. With the COVID-19 crisis, everyone has slowly gone online, which means all our meetings are online, our presentations are online. On top of that, our classes are online, maybe even our class presentations are online. So when this is the case, we need something that basically makes it so we can have a high quality stream, but at the same time we look professional and sound professional as well. So of course a good microphone and of course a good camera helps. But what if you could truly look professional because you went and typed up a script for what to say during your presentation, or even notes or something of those sorts? Well, that's where the teleprompter kicks in, and it is really awesome. Now, setup on this thing isn't too complex. This thing is capable of being set up within maybe 10 to 12 minutes. If you're once you do it once, you pick it up pretty quickly. After that, you can either leave it as is and just have it set up for good, or you could take it apart. And the coolest thing about this is that it is pretty portable. You are able to fit it inside of a backpack. This thing comes in, a little package the size of maybe a Amazon package or a file. So it is kind of wild how portable this can get. Now, the wildest thing here is that you are able to go and stream whatever you need to say directly from your tablet. All you do is place it onto this device directly in front of it, and afterwards you're able to use their application or their website to basically see exactly what you need to read. So the teleprompter makes life easy, but sometimes the scroll speed and the contrast or something might be a little off, so you can jump into settings and you can mess with all of that inside of the application itself. But they didn't stop there. They also provided a remote, so if you want to skip ahead, or if you accidentally forgot to say something, or if you stuttered or something of those sorts, instead of it leaving you behind, all you have to do is press the remote button and it will skip ahead or go forward, and based on your reading speed, which is really awesome. However, they really decided to take this thing to the next level. You see, guys, they thought, hey, if we can just have this be a teleprompter that reflects whatever is placed underneath it, why couldn't we, hypothetically speaking, do it with any device? So, of course, you can place any device down here, whether it's your phone, a tablet, any form of tablet, Microsoft Surface, and you are able to go and see it on that reflective screen, which is really cool. Now, here's where it goes even more insane. They thought, hey, a lot of people want to stream, but if they look at the teleprompter, which is slightly to the right or behind the tripod or in a different location, maybe they will look kind of awkward because they won't be looking at the camera in their Zoom meeting or their interview or whatever they're recording at that time. So what they decided was, hey, what if there was a way that we could actually make it so the camera itself is behind the glass pane that this person is reading? And that's exactly what they did. The reflection doesn't actually show up on the camera. However, you're able to place a camera directly inside of this thing, cover it up so it's nice and dark, and afterwards it will be able to record you without you even seeing the camera. All you see is the text, but the lens is behind that little glass pane, and it's able to go and record exactly what you're saying. Now, you don't have to use a DSLR. We use this in this case. However, you could use a webcam as well. It gives the illusion that you are looking straight at the camera and not reading off anything. However, you are actually using a teleprompter to read every single thing. It's just no one else can tell. How cool is that? So all in all, I think this setup is really insane. My most favorite thing about this is that everything works seamlessly with any traditional tripod. So all you have to do is just place the DSLR, then of course this thing which has holes in it, and then you place the tripod mount itself directly onto any tripod, and as long as your tripod can support the weight, which my particular one can, this thing is pretty much good to go. How awesome is that? So all in all, I give this thing a nice solid 9 out of 10. It has the ability to make your Zoom meetings better, your presentations better, and of course, maybe you're just recording a YouTube video like I'm doing at the moment. It can make that a lot easier to do as well, and the price point is super good as well. You can check it out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. I am going to leave a short little quick video on how to set this up at the end of this video. So as you guys are going to watch right around now, this is going to turn into a quick little setup video, and what I decided was, instead of a tutorial step-by-step showing you guys how to set this up, I'm going to time-lapse it. So if you guys want to set this up on your own, all you have to do is just slow down the YouTube video down to maybe like 0.5x, and you'll be able to see step-by-step how you need to set this up. In the meantime, I'm just going to toss some music on here, and we're pretty much set to go. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. This is going to be me logging off.